Anya's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make pumpkin soup. The ingredients are pumpkin, carrots, onion, garlic, stock cubes, creme fraiche, olive oil, cumin seed, salt and pepper. So first I'm gonna cut the pumpkin in half, remove the insides and then cut it into pieces. I'm going to remove the insides with a spoon. So I cleaned the garlic, onion and carrots and I'm gonna cut them into large pieces. So in a large pot I'm gonna heat up about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So when the oil is hot I'm gonna put it on medium-high temperature. I'm gonna add in the pumpkin. And the carrot, garlic and onion. And I'm gonna let this bake for about 5 minutes. You have to stir regularly. So after about 5 minutes I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cumin seed. And mix that in for about another minute. So after another minute I'm gonna add 2 stock cubes. And 1 liter of water. Now I'm gonna bring this to a boil. And when it's boiling I'm gonna let it boil for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes I'm gonna take it off the stove. So with a hand mixer I'm gonna puree the soup. after I pureed it once, I'm gonna add the creme fraiche. Now I'm gonna puree again to make sure everything is mixed and pureed. So now it's completely pureed. I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to add some extra pepper or salt. So now I'm gonna add some pepper and salt. I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna taste it again. So this is the soup.